doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. We're going to open up this stuff. This is soundbar we ordered. This is Sony HT-X8500 soundbar. This is Dolby Atmos vertical surround engine 2.1 channel with built-in subwoofer. This is Sony Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, DTS, DTS Visual, vertical surround engine 2.1, built-in subwoofer, S-Force Pro, front surround 4K, Bluetooth and HT-X, full immersive surround with virtual ceiling speaker, 2.1 channel built-in subwoofer. This is the soundbar we got here. Okay, nice packaging. So this is the power cable with the remote control. This is also part of the power cable, and battery for the remote control in here. Nice. So this one, optical cable, is included with this one in the packaging, which is handy. Wow, this is very heavy. Look at that. This is what we have here. Wow, amazing stuff. Let's see what. Wow. This is like a steel iron at the back. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, amazing. Let's see. So it got speaker. This got two center speaker here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We say 4 in total. But let's see what it looks like. So you got a speaker here and another speaker to the corner, and another one here. So this is Sony. You can see HDMI in and optical. So you have TV in optical is the first one. Now I have HDMI in and HDMI out, TV EAC. Okay, so this is HDMI in, and this one is HDMI TV EAC here. See what it looks like. And the power cable goes here. This is a powerful soundbar, HT-X8500 soundbar. This is huge. 2.1 channel soundbar, all-in-one soundbar with Dolby Atmos. 2.1 channel, support high resolution audio with 4K pass-through, Dolby audio, built-in subwoofer, HDMI and optical cable. This soundbar deserves your attention. It puts you at the center of action with Sony visual surround engine. Hear dialogue loud and clear thanks to Dolby Atmos and DTS. Watch blockbuster in stunning quality with 4K pass-through. You enjoy your music wire-free with via Bluetooth connection. Hear dialogue loud and clear. DTS HD master audio and DTS. Then you can also select the preset mode: auto sound, cinema, music, game, sports, standard, sound effect, night mode. And this is 4K pass-through, high resolution audio support, connection via Bluetooth 5.0, input HDMI ARC and optical output HDMI ARC. You can configure this soundbar using USB cable, and it deserves your attention. We're just gonna measure the soundbar. Okay, from this end to this end is 89 centimeter. From here is 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. I'm going to show you how to connect this soundbar to the mobile device and test the audio is what you are going to do. Okay, and this soundbar is beautiful. So just gonna plug this on to the power. Okay, once you plug it in, then plug it to the socket. Okay, and you can see the light is on. Okay, now what you need to do is the remote control. Okay, push it down to then put the battery in. This is 3-port air battery is included. 3-port air battery. Okay, so push it negative to one end and positive to the other end. Okay, and this in. Now this is the on. Okay, and you can see it's showing us in the TV, so we use the remote control to select the input. This is TV. Okay, and let's see. So use the remote control to select the input. Now I can see it's in Bluetooth. You can see Bluetooth light is highlighting. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go to our mobile device. Go to the mobile device and search for Bluetooth. Switch the Bluetooth on. Okay, search for available device. Scroll down. Okay, so we are looking for HT-X8500. You can see HT-X8500 series. Select on it and Bluetooth request. Select pair and it's connected. If you look on the soundbar, you can see a blue light, steady blue light. So this soundbar now is connected. So we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. So this is Epidemic Sound, is a royalty-free music for content creator. This is the audio. Select music. So you can use the remote.
This